Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Nyak Studio 4D. Today I am installing the iOS 13 launcher on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at that. Okay. And I have decided to show you this. Okay, this is also the review. Get ready to see this. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and click on like. Okay, you can also share this video. Let's see this right now. Let's see this right now. You are so beautiful today. Let me show you. Woo! Follow me. Yeah. Okay. Get ready. Okay. Welcome, bro. I'm ready. Look at that. This is my phone. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Beautiful. Okay. As you can see, this is also the iOS 13. As you can see, this is one of the popular iOS launcher that you can download on your beautiful Google Play Store. Look at that. Amazing. Good. This is what you will see on your phone after installation. If you want to install, this is what I'm talking about. You can download this for free. Look at on my home screen. Ooh, look at that. When you do this, look at what you obtain on your beautiful screen. You can make your choice between the both launcher. This is One UI. Okay, let's test this before. And look at that. This is One UI, bro. What you have installed on your phone. Okay, normal application, sort of machine. You have the Android Pay install. Okay, wonderful. When you want to use the launcher from iOS, you need absolutely to click here, and you can click on just one, and you can play. Okay, I recommend you to click on always. Okay, and after, if you want, you can change this option on your settings. Okay, get ready for that. Now click on always, and wow, look at on my screen, bro. Look at on my screen. This is unbelievable. It's so amazing. Okay, now you can see welcome wallpapers and settings. Okay, got. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Remember, you can install this beautiful launcher on your beautiful phone, okay? On Android phone in the world. Like the Android P. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. It's like the iOS. Okay, the iPhone. Look at that, bro. Look at that. What do you think? Okay, look at, ooh, my icons, all of my icons are changing. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Oh, look at that notification. Wow, amazing. Okay, you can open your camera just like that. Open camera. Okay, working. What else? You are also search. You can see something here. Not bad. What else again? Oh, look at that. Okay, this is nice. Okay. Okay, and when I do this, ooh, this is not changed. Only the launcher are changed. The system is the Android 9 people. As you can see, is just a custom. You can put your camera. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So blue is wonderful. About phone. Okay, this is my camera. I want to hold this. Wow, look at the effect, bro. Wow. Installing the iOS 13 launcher on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see, this is good and it's working. Wow. What do you think? What do you think, bro? Wow, look at that. Wow, it's move. I get a movie. I get a movie. Wow. Wonderful. What do you think about this, bro? I think that is not bad, it's good. It's so easy to use this, bro. This is simple. This is nice. Wow. This is the iOS 13. Look at that. Okay. This is my video. And you can say to me, what do you think about this? Look at that, bro. Can you see this? The icons are so natural. It's like the iOS Pro, the iOS 13, like the same icon. Look at that. And under, you have the same icons also. What do you think? When you click on this, you can open. It's so fast. I want to buy a Samsung application, Apple application, but I want to test the launcher before. As you can see, this is a iOS launcher 13. What do you think about this? If you like, click on like and get ready for the next video. Beautiful Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus also. Amazing. I like it. Wow. Amazing.